Top passive income opportunities. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means when you refer a product or service from a company to people by sharing it through social media, podcasts, websites, etc. This selling technique has been around for several years, and social media has made it even more lucrative and accessible to everyone, benefiting both the affiliate and the company or person promoting the product. If you have seen influencers reviewing products, recommending places, and talking about certain apps and how good they are, most likely, they are doing affiliate marketing. The affiliate might earn a commission for each product sold, or they're paid upfront to promote it on social media. Every time you bring new customers on the platform, you can get a sum on each purchase made by them using your referral link. Own dividend stocks. Companies with dividend stocks pay out shareholders quarterly using their own profits. You only need to own the stock to receive the dividends into your broker account. But there's a risk. Companies with high yields will not always be able to sustain it. And you should always research to know how the company acquires the money to pay such high dividends. A simpler way to go into dividend stocks is investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Investing funds that track multiple types of assets, including stocks, commodities, and bonds. Yield farming. Yield farming can be similar to dividend yield stocks, but instead of owning a stock, we will deposit cryptocurrency into a platform that will pay out monthly or weekly rewards to your wallet. In short, yield farming refers to depositing cryptocurrencies into a liquidity pool, which is a type of smart contract within the platform. All you have to do is connect your wallet to the platform, choose the liquidity pool with the assets you have in your wallet, and deposit the cryptocurrencies. Cloud mining. Cloud mining has become the easiest way to mine cryptocurrency, without going through the stress of running complicated software or setting up loud and noisy rigs. The advent of cloud mining has made BTC and crypto mining accessible to a broader audience, considering that mining requires buying and setting up expensive equipment in strategic places. Cloud mining will allow you to rent cloud computing power and mine Bitcoin remotely. Just register an account and pay a commission fee, and the company will lease their mining equipment, the software, electricity, placement, and maintenance to you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.